Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Muhammad Ramzan and warmly welcome in the Rapid English Mastery course day 8. In this day, we are going to discuss a very important factor, and without this factor, our communication is totally incomplete. Literally saying that even we cannot communicate with other people's in broken sentences if we don't have such kinds of these things that we are going to discuss in today's class. So let's take the start of the class. The thing that we are going to be discussed in this class, it's about what is confidence and how much confidence is important and what are the strategies that are really helpful in boosting our confidence. All kinds of these things are going to be discussed in today's class. Let's take the start of the video. First, we will talk about what is confidence. Confidence is belief in your abilities is called confidence. And confidence is really much important for an effective communication, for a fluent communication. If we wanted to be a fluent in target language, this confidence is really important. So here I will give three factors three strategies that can boost your confidence, and you will feel so much confident, and you can interact with any other people's in your target language. So let's take the start. First thing that we are going to discuss, it's about a company play a very magical role in boosting our confidence. Literally saying that if you are living in the peoples those are completely aimless, those having no aim in their lives, and people's wasting their time all the day, having no concern with the expectations of the society, with the expectations of the family. Then what will be the result of this? The result of this will be that they will also make you they will also play a very vital role in disappearing your confidence. When you live with such type of the company, they are really contagious for yourself, and they are really contagious for your future. So be aware of that, peoples. You have to, if you wanted to be successful in their lives, then you have to choose a very selective company. You doesn't need to come interact with any persons that having no sense. You need to interact those peoples those having the worth of manners, those having the those know about what is education, what is determination, what is consistency. All the peoples those know such type of things. You need to select such type of the company. In a nutshell, I wanted to say that if you have a company that have a massive aim, that can and that those wants to spread a massive flexibility and comfort in the society and the country, such type of the peoples will boost your confidence. They will help you in maintaining the confidence, and they will help you in boosting confidence. And when you are more confident, you can perform superbly in their lives. Second thing that's also really important, it's about courage. What is courage? Courage means that whenever situation demands, we need to interact in English. We need to interact with other peoples. That's called courage. When we show the courage at the moments where we where we see that our opinion are much important, and we put our opinions at that times, that's courage. That's courage will help you to maintain confidence in your life. That's really important in maintaining confidence in your life. If you run away, from the situations, when situation demands and you run away from there, then such type of the behavior will also lead towards the failure. This is the reasons that if you show courage where you think that your courage is very much important and your opinion having a massive worth, you have to show the courage to portray their ideas, to express yourself in his own way, in his or her own way. That's really important. That's called courage. Last but not least, it's also a really important, it's called contact. What's meant by contact? Contact means that you have to, if you want to be a fluent in English, you have to contact with the peoples, you have to contact with the peoples having proficiency in those languages. So if you want to be fluent, then you have to interact with the peoples, those are completely proficient in that language. So if you contact with them, and this will also help you in boosting your confidence. So all kinds of these things are really important in maintaining confidence, and if you will implement all these strategies on yourself, you will feel a massive confidence in yourself, and this confidence will help you to boost confidence and will make you more successful.